In this video, I am going to show you how we can check whether our Cisco switch port is operating in layer 2 mode or layer 3 mode. So this is a GNS3 all-in-one version, and here you know that we can use router, but it doesn't have any switch. So first of all, we need to have a switch first. So for this, you can go to preferences and then click on iOS router and click on new and browse to the iOS image. I have kept in my D drive. So click on now, and if you want to save this file into your iOS image directory, click on yes, otherwise click no. So here is the option to convert a router image into switch, and it will become a switch plus router, multi-layer switch. Give it a default RAM, and here the 16 switch ports are added. If you want to add any serial card, you can add it here. Idle PC is used to minimize the usage of RAM. Whenever we use GNS3, it takes a lot of RAM. And if you are low on RAM, you can use idle PC feature that it computes a value that can lower your CPU and RAM usage. So it will take some time. After computing, you will see idle PC value shortly. So this is the value it has computed. Click on apply and OK. Now we can see the either switch router. So drag it here and start it. So I am going to give you a console. There we can change some text setting. I hope it is visible now. So you can see all the interfaces. And if you now come to our practical, if you want to know whether your switch is operating in layer 2 or layer 3 mode, you can use this command show interface FA 1 by 0 switch port. So if the switch port is operating in layer 2 mode, then you will see the enabled switch port enabled. To convert it into layer 3, you can use this command. Go to interface setting and click on no switch port. So now if you run this command, so it will show you disabled. It means that it is a layer 3 port. And you can give it a IP address also. I will give you so show run. You can see here only FA 1 by 0 has no IP address. It means it has been converted into layer 3 port. All the rest of the ports are layer 2 ports still. To convert it back to the layer 2 port, you can use this command interface FA 1 by 0 switch port. Now if you want to view this again, it has been converted into layer 2 port. So in this way you can determine if your switch port is in layer 2 or layer 3 mode. Thanks for watching.